the master. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Put on the ignition. Clear.
All right. You guys ready?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn on the radios here.
Ground standby. Responding by 3 phone call.
And we're going to listen to what's called the ATIS.
Delta 36 Delta, runway 1 service. Use caution for steel plates on Bravo 2. Hazardous weather for Southern California. Available on high loss flight watch flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. Tee up information whiskey.
Whiskey.
Van Nuys Airport information whiskey 2051 Zulu. Wind 070 at 8. Wind variable between 040 and 100. Visibility 10. 2,800 scattered. Temperature 21, 2.11. Altimeter 3015. ILS runway 16 right approach in use. Landing and departing runway 16. The Airman runway 16 right fast out of service. Use caution for steel plates on Bravo 2. Hazardous weather for Southern California. Available on high loss flight watch flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. Tee up information whiskey. 37 Golf. 37 Golf needs you moving now.
What are these buttons?
That's the push the aux switch.
Remain off of Golf. Resume normal taxi speed. Sorry.
It's not
Okay.
machine guns.
Van Nuys ground, Grumman 882 Fox is got whiskey at northwest corner, taxi for takeoff.
Grumman 882 Fox, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie 882 Fox, thanks for 16 right.
Palm Beach 225, exit patience, runway 16 right, taxi via Bravo. Charlie, hold short, runway 16 left. Bravo, Charlie, hold short, 16 left, Palm Beach 225. Palm Beach 225 is confirmed runway assignment, runway 16 right, please.
That's the Twin Beach.
Wow, Charlie,
Golden Peak.
Wow. 16 right.
That's amazing. Van Nuys ground, Cardinal 30765, good afternoon. Prop Park West, taxi with uniform.
Cardinal 30765, Van Nuys ground on request, standby. Palm Beach 225, taxi without delay to your north of taxiway, Papa, please.
Ground, can 36 Delta take 16 left Delta here for takeoff.
Put in ground control here.
Delta 37 Golf, taxi cross runway 16 left, hold short runway 16 right. Roger, cross 16 left, hold. Number 37 Golf, transmission was broken, verifying, cross.
This is 2 Charlie Victor, turn left, just make a
This is
left turn, 2 Charlie Victor traffic.
Gray Airlines.
2,600 stuff. Turning left.
Getting ready to take off.
Charlie Victor looking for the traffic.
Van Nuys ground, Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, ready to go, 16 right for a left crosswind departure.
XOJ
Oh, wow.
60, contact ground point 7 off the runway, have a good day.
That is old. Beautiful.
That's the 2 Charlie Victor, resume on navigation, frequency changes approved.
Right there.
Good day, that's 2 Charlie Victor.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, ready to go, 16 right for a left crosswind departure.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, hold short, runway 16 right.
Holding short, 16 right, 882 Fox.
Gulfstream 883 Lima Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right at Echo, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right at Echo, 883 Lima Sierra.
Moving forward.
That's a 9er Echo Delta, extend on the left turn, extend the downwind, you're following Gulfstream traffic, 6 small final.
Say again?
Like, it's moving forward sometimes, and then it's not. How do you...
Oh, because I'm on the brakes.
Oh.
Top step.
That's a 9er Echo Delta, start your circle, enter right
The top of the
downwind,
brakes,
runway
tops of
16
the
right,
rudder pedals are
extend,
brakes.
and
On the ground, it's
you're going to
brake.
follow a Gulfstream on a 5 mile final.
So left is brake, right is gas, or?
No. There's one brake for each wheel.
Gulfstream 1 Juliet Charlie, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, 1 Juliet Charlie.
That's a 909er Echo Delta, Van Nuys Tower, how do you hear?
That is a cool plane.
Van Nuys Tower, 9er Echo Delta, gets loud and clear.
That's a 9er Echo Delta, roger. Extend your downwind, you're following Gulfstream traffic, 5 mile final, report when you have traffic in sight.
We'll clear for 9er Echo Delta. Van Nuys Tower, Twin Beach, been ready, 3 deep. It's ready
Roman Beach 70 Golf Alpha Van Nuys Tower, roger, hold short, no, 6 right.
Hold short, 16 right, 70 Golf Alpha.
Gulfstream 3 Lima Sierra, traffic off your left is remaining left close traffic, no factor contact, SoCal departure, have a good flight.
Good day, Lima Sierra.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 523 Echo Romeo, holding short 16 right at kilo for right downwind departure.
That's a 523 Echo Romeo, Van Nuys Tower, hold short, runway 16 right, expect 3 minutes for wake turbulence.
Holding short 16 right, 523 Echo Romeo.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, no delay, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, Gulfstream traffic, 3 mile final.
No delay, 82 Fox, rolling, 16 right.
Gulfstream 1 Juliet Charlie, Grumman traffic, departing prior to arrival.
1 Juliet Charlie.
Okay, so what we're going to do is, when we get lined up with the runway,
Van Nuys Tower, 9 Echo Delta, head of traffic.
That's a 9 Echo Delta.
when I get to about 60 knots,
Base.
slight back pressure and we'll go
Maintain
up,
visual
okay?
separation from the traffic. Turn base, runway 16 right, number 2, clear to land, caution wake turbulence.
Turn base, we'll maintain the traffic and caution wake turbulence for 9 Echo Delta.
That's 60 knots?
Yeah. 529 Bravo,
okay.
About 6.5
Time to take off. Slight back pressure.
Report to 529 Bravo, Van Nuys Tower, make right traffic, runway 16 right.
Right traffic, 16 right.
You want to keep the nose about level with the mountains.
And Super Fortress 529 Bravo, turn to the south. Traffic is off your right at your 3 o'clock, 2.5 miles altitude, gate 3,100
Super
at
Fortress.
Cessna. Make a right turn and then plan to enter the 45 south of the tower.
529 Bravo, roger. Van Nuys Tower, good afternoon. ExtraJet 769 is with you on the ILS runway 16 right.
Van Nuys Tower, say again.
What we're going to do is continue straight out
769 with you on the ILS runway.
Right.
to the freeway.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a coordinated left turn.
Right.
Okay. You guys okay back there?
Yeah.
Everybody good? Yep. To your left on base to final for the parallel.
Okay.
Malibu.
It's all you. Very good. Light touch on the control. Keep the top of the cowling at the mountains.
All right. Super Fortress 29er Bravo and turn left to enter the downwind.
Left turn, enter downwind, 29 Bravo.
Gulfstream 1 Juliet Charlie exited Romeo, contact ground point 7, sets the traffic is a half mile final, no delay off the runway.
1 Juliet Charlie.
Okay, keep the nose down, about to where those mountains are. Excellent.
All right.
And we're going to go up to 1800. All right, no, we'll go up to 2000. Just can't go up to the 0.
All right. Gulfstream 18 November Yankee cross runway 16 left, runway 16 right. Okay. Correction, hold short of runway 16 right.
Right, cross 16 left, hold short of 16 right, 18 November Yankee.
Frequency change for 882 Fox.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot. And if you're going eastbound?
Yes, sir.
Foxtrot, turn eastbound, contact Burbank Tower 118.7.
882 Fox, thanks.
Gulfstream 8.
Burbank Tower, good afternoon. Grumman 882 Fox, 405, 101 for an east 101 transition with a right turn around Mount Lee.
Grumman 882 Fox, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3013, radar contact, transition approved, squawk 0236.
0236, 882 Fox.
Okay, so try to keep it at 2,000 feet.
Okay.
125,
Following the 101 freeway.
All right.
Right to the left, right to the gate, we'll know with you, southwest off of that.
And you can, if you let go and feel that it's going up or down, you can adjust the trim.
How do I adjust the trim?
Roll that wheel forward or backward. If you want it to be less, if you're having to hold it down, then roll it back. If you're having to hold it forward, roll it up, roll it forward.
I'm pulling back a lot.
You're pulling back?
So roll
this forward.
Forward.
And then let go and see what it does.
Oh, dies.
Okay. Okay, too much, so now roll it back a little bit.
Okay. There we go.
Well, that still seems like if you let go, what happens? Just let go. See? Okay, so roll it back.
Okay. Roll it back.
Okay, a little bit, now let go.
Alright, we're good.
Okay, stay at 2,000. And that mountain over there is Mount Lee.
Alright.
And we're going to go around the south side of it, around the east side of it, come around the south side.
Alright, got it.
That's Burbank Airport. That's downtown LA. That over there is Century City.
Southwest 825 with you on runway 8.
South 825, Burbank Tower, wind 110 at 5, runway 8, cleared to land.
Clear land, runway 8, Southwest 825.
Okay, at this point, what are you controlling?
I just am adjusting the trim a little bit.
Okay.
My feet are on the pedals, but I'm not really doing much.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now you're going down a little bit.
Yeah, because we're a little above 2,000.
Okay. Scoot over that way a little bit more over the freeway.
With the pedals or?
With aileron and pedal.
Okay, turn it around.
Alright, now go back the other way.
Bring her back straight.
And now go turn it the other way with the opposite left aileron, left rudder. Left, line up with the freeway, left.
Alright.
And when you get lined with the freeway, neutralize everything and go straight.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, you want to keep it down about 2,000.
Alright.
Burbank Airport, I already told you that. Burbank Airport, Paramount Studios, no, not Paramount. Burbank Studios, Warner Brothers, and City Walk and Universal Studios. Back up at 2,000 or so.
Whoa.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Guys okay?
Yeah.
Burbank Tower, helicopter 712 Romeo is
Holding on for dear life.
for a
Western landing.
Helicopter 716 Romeo, Burbank Tower, taxiway Delta, cleared for takeoff. Cross runway 8, southbound approved.
Wow. Is this the cemetery?
Cross runway 8.
Forest Lawn?
Forest Lawn.
South 825, to gate
East down there as well.
825, right into the ramp,
Wow.
to gate 3, remain this frequency.
Looks so different from up here. Looks like such a small place.
Yeah. Okay, see that building, the beige building with the brown stripe on the bottom of it?
Yep.
Aim for that.
Aim for that?
Yep.
Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Here we go. Everyone hold on for dear life.
Take your time.
Dear life. Everybody. And up. Dear life. And we're good.
Okay. Okay, when we get around the foot of the mountain there, you'll start a right 180 around Mount Lee.
That sounds dangerous. Can we just do a barrel roll?
No, probably not.
Okay.
Helicopter 62 Romeo, radar contact.
62 Romeo.
Sky 6304 Burbank Tower.
6304, go ahead.
Sky 6304, if you can keep the taxi speed up, need to get out in front of a Phenom on a 10 mile.
Over there is Silver Lake, and of course, like I said, downtown LA.
Oh, I see the lake. So nice. No traffic.
No traffic. Well, never say no traffic, because there could be other airplanes around.
Alright. Now we're
Okay,
going
you
to
can
start.
start a right. Roll the wings till this right there.
Take over the Hollywood
Just like
Bowl.
that.
Uh-huh.
Tap unknown
That's kind of, and do I turn the yoke that way as well?
Headed to Foxtrot, was that for me?
Command 2 Foxtrot, traffic over the Hollywood Bowl, northeastbound, altitude indicates 2,000, type.
All right, we'll be looking at it, 2 Fox.
Alright.
Alright, keep going. We're looking for traffic over there. Northeastbound, over the Hollywood Bowl.
Alright, I'm turning.
Coming 82 Foxtrot, traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 1,900.
Do we want to go over the observatory or to the left?
What's that?
82 Fox, still no joy on the traffic.
Coming 82 Foxtrot, roger, now 12 becoming 11 o'clock in 1 mile eastbound, 1,900.
Right there.
Downtown?
No,
At 62 Romeo, frequency change.
Up 62 Romeo, radar service terminated, frequency change approved.
62 Romeo, thanks.
Coming 82 Foxtrot, traffic no factor.
82 Fox, thanks.
Okay, Griffith Park Observatory. Hollywood Bowl's over there and the Hollywood sign over there.
Oh, look at the Hollywood sign, everyone.
We saw it.
Take photos.
We're trying.
28 Burbank Tower, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile northbound, altitude indicates 1,700, additional traffic southbound, 1,900.
Burbank Tower, Seminole 214 Mike Kilo, we're showing 2,000 feet over the Griffith Park Observatory. We'd like to transition your airspace en route to Whiteman, cruise 170.
Burbank Tower, was that somebody 2,000 feet over the observatory?
328 Burbank Tower, runway 8, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 8, option 328.
I'm calling Burbank Tower, say again.
Seminole 214 Mike Kilo, 2,000 feet just to the east-southeast of the Griffith Park Observatory. En route to Whiteman Airport, we'd like to transition your airspace along the 170.
Sky 6304, contact SoCal departure.
Good day.
Terminal 214 Golf Mike Kilo, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3013, transition approved, squawk 0272.
Okay, 0272 for Mike Kilo.
Coming 82 Foxtrot, traffic departed runway 15, regional jet climbing southwestbound, caution wake turbulence.
Oh, roger that, 82 Fox, and that Seminole, I guess, is right behind us. I can't see him.
Terminal 4 Mike Kilo, radar contact Hollywood Reservoir, say altitude.
And we're showing 2,000 for Mike Kilo.
Terminal 4 Mike Kilo, and you have the traffic inside 12 o'clock, half mile westbound, Grumman 2100.
For Mike Kilo, we have it.
Coming 82 Foxtrot.
Universal Studios.
In trail about a half mile.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, he was calling over Griffith Park Observatory when I was there. I was like, where is he?
What was that? Another plane?
Yeah. Yeah, this is Griffith Park, Universal Studios.
Yep. Okay, ladies in the back, we're going to make emergency landing on the freeway.
Landing runway 8.
What's that? Let up away, goes through.
No.
Okay, the regional jet, I don't see him. It's over there.
Well, there's a small one right there.
Yeah, okay. That's not a regional jet, and that's not a Seminole.
Yeah. Not a jet.
Huh.
Option 328, say parking.
We're going to Millionaire.
Option 328, turn left on Alpha, left Delta, cross runway 15, taxi to Millionaire, traffic holding in position, runway 15.
Alpha Delta cross, or Alpha to Delta cross 15 for option, taxiing to Millionaire for option 328.
Coming 82 Foxtrot, radar service terminated, keep the code, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2.
Headed to Fox.
65 Van Nuys Tower, you appear to be crossing over the localizer. 765, sorry about that. 765 traffic 3 miles north of you, the Barano is talking about out of 4,400. If you're going to turn west, do that now, and your frequency change approved.
Generally, want to fly back out of service. Tap the aircraft you've crossed with 2 plate on both. Advise this contact information.
20 degrees now, and don't start your climb until you have the traffic inside or until you're established in that turn.
Van Nuys Airport information, X-ray 25.
X-ray.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Fox is Macy's with X-ray inbound for landing.
Over 82 Fox, Van Nuys Tower, make left traffic runway 16 left, unable to right.
Left traffic, 16 left, 882 Fox.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to drop down to 1,800 feet. So this goes down to the
765, half the traffic on the localizer.
November 765,
And we're going to turn 45 degrees to the runway.
Approach on 120.4. Multiple aircraft inbound to Van Nuys through the pass. Good day.
Good day.
November 82 Fox, start your turn toward the 45, please.
882 Fox, roger.
November 36 Delta, continue up when we're following a Grumman entry on a
freeway.
from Macy's.
Where's the runway?
It's right ahead of us.
For traffic,
And we're going to get to the freeway and we're going to go north. And when we get to the freeway, follow the freeway northbound and at 1,800 feet.
Where's the freeway? Oh.
Right there.
November 36 Delta, traffic to follow now, just ahead your left about a mile out of 1,900.
Okay. Start to turn to the north.
36 Delta, turn right 10 degrees, you're turning towards the traffic.
No run.
Turning right, 36 Delta.
Okay, good. There's the runways right there.
Okay, you said it was a 45 entry there, 36 Delta?
Got it.
November 36 Delta, affirmative, they were entering from Macy's, they're now no factor for you, continue in your left crosswind turn. 36 Delta.
A little bit more this way. Okay, straight.
November 82 Foxtrot, I'll call your base turn, we need to get the Super Fortress across the runways.
Super Fortress.
No problem. You'll call my base, 882 Fox.
See the Super Fortress? He's just down there. Oh wow, turning.
How long till we land?
When he calls our base. The tower will tell us when we can turn base. That Super Fortress is still sitting there.
No, Boo, 1 Bravo X-ray, verify you're still sitting out there waiting, huh? That's the problem, holding short of 165. I'm so sorry about that. We'll have you out here just as soon as this Fortress crosses the runway south of you. 1 Bravo X-ray, thanks. Great 2 Foxtrot, there'll be a departure prior to arrival as well. Turn your base in 1 mile.
Okay, base in 1 mile for 16 left, 882 Fox.
Super fun, mixture rich. Just shy of the 118 freeway here.
Malibu 31 Bravo X-ray, caution jet, or rather rotor wash from the Super Fortress crossing the runways. Wind 060 at 5, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff, left traffic approved. 16 left, clear for takeoff, 1 Bravo X-ray. Runway 16 left, clear to land.
882 Fox, turning base, clear to land, 16 left.
Delta, do you still have the Grumman a mile ahead in sight? Traffic inside, 36 Delta. 36 Delta, number 2, runway 16 left, cleared touch and go. Traffic 6 mile final for the parallel Phenom. 16 right, no, sorry, correction, 16
Okay.
left.
One hand, and just use your fingers. Barely touch it. Just so you can get a feel.
Tower 523 Echo, holding short 16 left at Charlie 3, left downwind departure. 523 Echo Romeo Van Nuys Tower, roger, you'll be going here in about 5
said, because I'm doing most on landing, especially since it's squirrely. Got some winds, so I want you to get a feel for it.
Cessna 3 Echo Romeo, turn left suggested 5 degrees, traffic departing off the parallel.
That's fine, 3 Echo Romeo.
3 Echo Romeo, follow the Malibu on the crosswind turn.
Insight will follow 3 Echo Romeo.
Thanks, sir.
Okay?
Yeah. Ready to land.
Over 3 Echo Romeo, traffic behind you and to the right about a quarter mile. Hold warm plane, they'll be turning out to the west.
Insight 3 Echo Romeo.
Malibu 1 Bravo X-ray, number 3 following traffic, a Cessna on about a mile and a half, final out of 1,600.
1 Bravo X-ray will be looking.
Tower down 309 Foxtrot, 16 left, request left cross traffic.
309 Echo Foxtrot, then I stand by. November 82 Foxtrot, ground point 7 at Juliet.
82 Fox.
Malibu 1 Bravo X-ray, traffic you're following now, short final, runway 16 left. Cleared to land, traffic, disregard traffic.
Can we open this?
Van Nuys ground, Crewman 82 Fox is off of 16 left, off the end, taxi to northwest corner.
82 Foxtrot, Van Nuys ground, turn right and taxi southbound, hold short, runway 16 right at Kilo.
Okay, turning right, we'll hold short of 16 right at Kilo, 82 Fox.
Everybody okay?
Yeah. Great. Just needed air.
Yeah, it gets warm.
Survive,
That's the transponder. So he's going to tell us to cross.
32 Foxtrot, taxi across runway 16 right, taxi north on Alpha, northwest corner.
Cross 16 right, northwest corner via Alpha, 82 Fox.
Ground ridge step 193 is clear for 6 right, going to the north ramp. Okay.
All right, everybody okay?
193, Van Nuys ground, taxi parking B Alpha.
Parking B Alpha.
Have any questions?
Ready to stretch my legs.
Any questions about what you did or
No.
what the plane does or anything like that?
It was awesome. It was amazing.
Cool.
Great experience.
Yeah, Condor Squad.
Ground, accelerator 179 at signature west, ready to taxi with X-ray.
Accelerator 179, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
They were Alpha, Charlie to 16 right, accelerator 179.
They were World War II secondary trainer.
Wow.
There's somebody taking off.
Private jet.
Yep.
City Alpha
44, clearing taxiway Alpha, switching back to tower, thank you.
Clear up 44, welcome.
There's another Grumman Cheetah.
Oh.
The yellow and white one. There's the B-29.
Oh my God.
Oh, I turned it off, sorry.
Oh no, they don't even have it on.
Oh, they don't? Oh.
Oh my God, it's amazing.